What's going on here? Do a little analysis of the S&P 500. Now I am looking at the hourly chart here. As you can see, we had this big old boom, bullish move up, broke highs here. We came back down, and as you saw my stories here, I had a nice entry here that I set before I went to sleep. My entry was actually 77.3977. Take profit was in this imbalance here, and we came and filled that up nicely. I got out probably like around right here, but we came and filled it up pretty good. And now what I'm looking forward to happening is, if you look right here, this red candle here is called a bullish order block right here. And if we measure that out, I already did it here, but if you measure it out with the Fibonacci sequence here, from here top to bottom, 50% right here is 396914. I drew a line on there already. I'm looking for that level, see how it reacts here in the coming days. But if you drop down to the 15-minute chart, this imbalance here is perfect. The bottom of this imbalance is like in line with that level. So it's looking pretty, I don't know, pretty good that it may react pretty good up this level and come back up. So I probably won't take any trades until we get down here. But if I see a good short from this level all the way down to this level, I might take it, because right here was a nice entry here to potentially come all the way down here. So that's what I'm looking for. It could, let me just go back to this hourly chart. It could come all the way down to this level and fill this imbalance right here, but I necessarily don't want to see that to maintain my bullish nature or my bullish bias. So yeah, let's see how it fares up for the next couple of days.